This is class 6 geography chapter 4. So you are learning the video chapter about the advantages of a globe. However, a globe has a limitation as well. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole, but when we want to study only a part of the earth as about our country, state, district, town, village, it is opted to have. In such a situation, use map. A map is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. But it is impossible to flatten a round shape completely. We find that the maps are useful for us for various purposes. One map shows a small area and a few facts. Another may contain as many as facts as big book where many maps are put together. We get an atlas. At least each atlases are of various size, measurement drawn on a different scales. Map provide more information than a globe. They are of different types. Some of them declared below. Physical map की बात करें तो map showing natural feature of the earth such as the mountain, plateau, plain, river, ocean are called physical map showing the cities, town, villages and different countries and the state of the world with the boundaries are called political map. Some maps focus on specific information such as the road map, rainfall map showing the distribution of the forest that is unknown. As thematic maps, suitable titles are given on the basis of information provided. There are three components for map: distance, direction and the symbol. Maps are like drawing which reduces the entire word or a part of it to a sheet of paper, or we can say the maps are drawn to reduce scale, but the direction is done very carefully so the distance between the places is real. It can only be possible when a small distance on a paper represents the last distance on the ground. Therefore, the scale is chosen for this purpose. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For example, the distance between a school and the home is 10 km. If you show this 10 km distance by 2 cm on a map, it means 1 cm on the map will show 5 km. Okay. On the ground, the scale of your drawing will be 1 cm is equal to 5 km. The scale is very important in any map if you know the scale. When large areas like continent or countries were to be shown on a paper, when we use a small scale, then we use a small scale. For example, 5 cm on the map shows the 500 km of the ground. It is called a small scale map. When on a small area like a village or a town is to be shown on a paper, when we use a large scale, that is 5 cm in the map shows the 500 meter. ठीक है, मतलब आप जितना कम 5 सेंटीमीटर के अंदर 500 किलोमीटर डाल रहे हो और यहीं पे 5 सेंटीमीटर के 500 मीटर डाल रहे हो, तो जब ज़्यादा डाल रहे हो तो स्मॉल स्केल में, जो कम डाल रहे हो तो लार्ज स्केल में. विच मैप गिव्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन? लार्ज स्केल मैप गिव मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन देन स्मॉल स्केल मैप. Most maps contain an arrow marked with a letter N at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the north direction. It is called the north line. When you know the north, you can find out the other direction. For example, east, west, and so they are the four major direction: north, south, east, west. They are called the cardinal point. Other intermediate directions are the northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Take it to find the direction of the community center, then the playground from the big house, or the direction of the school from the weekend, or the direction of a place with the help of the compass. It is an instrument used to find out the main direction. Its magnet needle always point toward the north-south direction. Symbol: it is the third symbol important component of a map. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and the size of different features of building, road, bridges, trees, railway line as well. So they are shown by using certain letters, shades, color, picture. Line. This symbol give a lot of information and a limited space. With the use of this symbol, map can be drawn very easily and are simple to read even if you don't know the knowledge of an area, and therefore can also ask someone for direction. You can collect the information from them with the help of these symbol. Maps have a universal language that can be understood by all. There is an international agreement regarding the use of the symbol. They are called conventional symbols. For example, this is a broad gauge, this is meter gauge, and this is railway station. Metal road, unmetal road, international, this is state, and this is district. This is river, this is well, tank, now this is canal, and this is bridge. Temple, church, mosque, chhatri, post office, post and telegraph office, police station. This is settlement, this is a graveyard, this is trees, and these are grasses. So various colors are used for the same purpose. For example, generally blue is used for showing water bodies, for mountains, yellow for plateau, brown for mountain, green is used for plant. Okay. Next is sketch. A sketch drawing mainly based on the memory and the spot observation and not to skill. Sometimes a rough drawing is required of an area to tell by a particular place located with respect to other place. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house, but you don't know the way. Your friend may make a rough drawing to show the way to his house. Such a rough drawing is drawn without a scale and is called a sketch map. Plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale, and larger scale maps gives a lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and the breadth of a room, which can be shown on a map. At that time, we can refer the drawing drawn onto a scale called a plan. Okay, next is okay, finished. Thank you.